Hi everyone, my name is Pollock. I am an attorney that helps other attorneys and their clients ethically, strategically, and proactively engage the court of public opinion to help those clients resolve their cases favorably and to help those attorneys build their practices. I wanted to talk in this video about a mindset that most media-savvy attorneys have, and it's a mindset that you should adopt if you too want to become a media-savvy attorney. And the mindset is that you should be a door and not a wall when it comes to the media and working with reporters. When a reporter wants to tell a story, either about your case, your client, or your firm, you need to help them tell that story. By helping them tell that story and making their life easier, you and your client are likely to get a more favorable story and a more compelling story this one time. And for the long term, you helping a reporter to tell their story will get them coming back to you down the road, either about your cases or about areas of the law that they need someone to chime in on, and they remember you because you were helpful to them. This applies whether or not you are proactively going to the reporter and the media outlet, or they are coming to you because they found out about a case or your firm and they want to talk to you more about it. When I say act as a door and not a wall, you want to be able to open up and let the reporter have the information that you think and that they think will help them tell their story in the most compelling and impactful manner. So for example, if you're a plaintiff's attorney, you might want to make your clients available to talk to the reporter because that'll give a more client-centric article, a more client-centric perspective, which will probably be more impactful and certainly more substantive than simply a short article that parrots the allegations in a complaint or some other legal document. If a reporter is working at a TV station or some online outlet that prioritizes video, then you need to be providing compelling visuals, including photos and videos, to that reporter to help them tell that story using the medium that they tell stories through. You could also help them by providing them documents, either from the case that you've acquired, that will help them tell their story. Now, of course, you want to be careful that you're not violating any protective orders, nor are you violating any ethics rules by providing certain material to the reporters. But nonetheless, when you have the kind of material that you can provide to a reporter without fear of running into ethical issues or any kind of violations or protective orders, you should be thinking about that. If you're on the defense side and your client could benefit from a favorable article and the reporter wants to cover the client but needs to talk to the client, you should really make an effort to make sure that your client or a representative is out there talking to the reporter. That will help tell your client's story. Again, giving access to videos or photos or materials that the reporter could use to help them tell your client's story and your story will be beneficial to you. You want to be a door and not a wall. You want to help reporters and their media outlets tell your story and your client stories. Media-savvy attorneys understand this, and they work with reporters. They are resources to reporters, not just when a reporter is covering that attorney's case, but when a reporter is covering something that that attorney can provide information about and resources about. That's when that attorney steps in. I would encourage you to adopt that mindset of a media-savvy attorney. Adopt that mindset that you, as an attorney, should be helping reporters and media outlets tell their stories. If you do, I think you'll find that you and your clients will benefit both in the short term and the long term from adopting such a mindset.